making the call here for heat race number 2. Broedy Graham, Grant Schott, Haley Lambert, and Cole Waco. Green flag is in the air. Heat race number 2 underway here at Santa Maria Speedway. Broedy Graham throwing the big bomb into turns 1 and 2. Wants to lead this one early. He's going to be side by side now. He's going to take that advantage down the back straightaway to turns 3 and 4. Gets on the bike going into turns 3 and 4. Graham leads lap number 1. Number 2 spot, that is Grant Schott, Cole Waco, and Haley Lambert manning out what's out 4. Broedy Graham commanding lead already, a straightaway down that back straightaway. Broedy Graham has B&B Oilfield Consulting number 66 machine on kill here in the heat race. Up the ribbon, limit 3 and 4, searching high and low. Looks like the car can go anywhere he wants it to. He goes right through the middle. Diamonds the corner just a bit down on the bottom side of turn number 2. He's working that wheel down the back straightaway in turns 3 and 4. 3 down, making 5 down. 4 down, 6 to go at the line. Broedy Graham out of Bakersfield, California. He's got a commanding lead. It's a 2.5-second advantage over the number 2 spot. Now Cole Waco. Waco up to P2. Waco gets around. Grant Schott. The on supply number 73. Shot down on the inside, we might lose the 8 machine. Now we're left with 3, Broedy Graham. And the B&B Oilfield number 66. Once again, he's got at the line 3.249-second advantage. Just past the halfway point. Graham backs it into turns 3 and 4. Graham not taking this heat race lightly. He's still giving it all he's got. Even with nearly 3.5-second advantage over the 73 Cole Waco. You see he's up there testing the waters of that cushion. We got 1 to go. White flag this time by from the 66 out of Bakersfield, California. Broedy Graham coming to the white flag 4 quarters away from the heat race win. Graham right to the cushion in turns 1 and 2. Nice and silky smooth on the wheel. Points a straight pop back straight away to turns 3 and 4. A hot lap for Broedy Graham on the final one as he rips off a turn number 4. Broedy Graham picks up the heat race win.